Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to merge branches on GitHub in 2025 using the online interface. The best part? You don't need to use the terminal, everything can be done right from the GitHub website. Let's get started. First, open your browser, go to github.com and log into your account. Navigate to the repository where your branches exist. Next, at the top of the repository, click on the Pull Requests tab. From there, select New Pull Request. Now it's time to choose your branches. For the base branch, select the branch you want to merge into. This is usually main or master. For the compare branch, select the branch you want to merge from, like a feature branch you've been working on. GitHub will automatically show you the changes between them. Take a moment to review the changes GitHub displays. Check the files and commits to make sure everything looks correct before proceeding. Once you're satisfied, click Create Pull Request. Add a title and an optional description so your team knows what this merge is about. Finally, click Merge Pull Request and then confirm by selecting Confirm Merge. And that's it. You've successfully merged your branch into the main branch on GitHub. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more GitHub tips, and I'll see you in the next one.